Hola amigos, ¿qué tal? Today we are going to learn the definite article and how to do singular and plural nouns in Spanish. If you are interested, stay and watch this video.
Si te quedas conmigo a estudiar, vas a aprender los verbos transitivos y el imperativo del verbo amar.
Artículo femenino singular es la, femenino plural las, masculino singular el, masculino plural los. Let's gonna add some words. Por ejemplo, la casa, the house. But if I want to say the houses, las casas. And I need to write this S at the end. Esto es plural. Por ejemplo, masculino singular. El libro, the book. Plural, the books, los libros. I need to add this S at the end. Good news are that 9 and 90% the words that finish with A are femeninas, and 9 and 90% the words that finish with O are masculinas. So A had a lot of things to do with femenino and masculino O. There are other rules, but we are gonna learn this in other chapters. What happens if a word finishes with consonant? In Spanish doesn't exist consonant plus S. So if a word finishes with consonant, por ejemplo, femenino singular la ciudad, ciudad finishes with consonant, right? So if I want to say plural, then I have to add not just an S, so I have to write ES, ES, ES. So plural, las ciudades. Plus ES because the word finishes with D. Por ejemplo, masculino singular, el ordenador, the computer. Y masculino plural, los ordenadores. So I need to add again this ES. And this is a rule, it's always like that. So all these la, las, el, los, in English is with the.